Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Roblox faster and fix lag problem. So all what you have to do to fix lag is very easy. Just open any server on Roblox, like this one for example. It's cars server. Now go to the top here, click on Roblox logo and then go to settings and make the camera mode on classic, and then make the camera sensitivity on 2% or 1% only, and make the full screen off like this, and then make the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as low as possible. Click resume, and if it's working, that's good. If it's not, then click here on this window option and then try it like this to play it with a small window. I think it's gonna be faster. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.